Pretty crazy here. Well, we're headed into the fall season, and you know what that means? People are going to start getting sick. Do you hear? Sick with the cough, with the cold, and the flu. And that's never good. So, we're going to review, not even an official review. I'm just going to try out some cough drops we've had. Some of the bags are open, some aren't, but I'll let you know how they all taste. First, I'll try Halls Triple Soothing Action Cherry. Now, I remember as a kid, they had something called Smith Brothers cough drops. I would just down those things like they were candy. Those were very tasty. But I don't think Smith Brothers exists anymore. Oh, that doesn't matter though. We're talking about Halls. Here's a cherry. Now, never treat cough drops like they're candy. Even though they may be sweet and kind of taste good, they have medicine in them. These are Halls sugar-free mountain menthol flavor, and you don't need to be on a mountain to have these. They're available in non-mountain regions as well. Like me, I don't live near a mountain, but I was able to get my hands on these.
Yes, you do. You live near 2 mountains.
Not talking about your mountains.
I was talking about...
But those are good. So anyway, I am trying the mountain menthol flavor now. Well, I still have the Halls cherry in my mouth, but what the hell. Wow. Clears up the sinuses, that's for sure. Now, these are unopened. These are Halls Mentholyptus. Let's see how these taste. At the same time, I'm having the Halls cherry and the Halls Mountain Menthol. It's the same color as the Halls Mountain Menthol flavor, but it's menthol lyptus. So maybe all the menthol ones are this pretty blue. Here's a Halls and Ricola original hard cough drops. Naturally soothing relief that lasts. Now these suckers come from Switzerland. I have no idea how they ended up in my house. These are shaped a little different from the Halls. I guess the Swiss like rectangular shapes better. And this comes with a little piece of plastic too. I don't know, maybe it makes your cold go away faster. That doesn't taste like it's supposed to be eaten. Maybe you're just supposed to eat this. This must be some kind of honey. I know it says it's a cough suppressant. But it doesn't say what flavor it is. Anyway, here goes at the same time that I'm eating the Halls sugar-free menthol mountain flavor and the Halls cherry and the Halls mentholyptus Ricola. Tasty. If you're wondering why I'm making all these faces, it's not that these don't taste good, but I had so many damn cough drops in my mouth, I'm almost about to choke. And then, if you need some entertainment while you're choking all of your cough drops, you can play with all the rappers. And if you really want to laugh, Lisa, my girlfriend, could come to your house. Because if you saw what you're doing right now, you would choke on all your Halls and Ricola. Anyway, wow. I should be pretty safe for flu season now. Because I'm ultra protected by these cough drops. And to be honest with you, I think I'm becoming a little over-medicated. I'm feeling woozy. You might not want to have them all at once like I just did. That's probably a stupid idea. Another stupid idea is to invite your girlfriend in the room when you're taping videos. Because in 2 seconds I will turn the camera around and show you why. Anyway, this is Jay-Z Crazy. I'll see you next time, hopefully without a cold. I don't even have a cold now. I don't know what I'm doing. I should have waited until I had a cold to eat all these. What the hell? See you next time, everybody.